I'm making this video to explain to you the Science Club's Makey Makey competition. So if you want to find out what a Makey Makey is, just go to the other video on the web page and it'll explain to you all about it, or you can look up on the internet for some sample project ideas. But what I want to do today is explain to you a little bit about the competition and encourage you to try it, and then show you an example of a Makey Makey project that I have made. So to do the Makey Makey competition, if you go to my website, there will be a link. So that's Mr. Keogh's website under the high school. There's a link to the Makey Makey competition. And one of the items under this link is a video that explains to you what a Makey Makey is, which if you haven't already watched, I encourage you to watch. The other is a link to the proposal form. Science Club has 4 Makey Makeys to give away. We're going to give one away to K through 3, one away to kids in grades 4 through 6, and then 2 away in the high school, 7 through 12. What we're going to do is you have to submit a proposal, and on that proposal you explain how would you use your Makey Makey. What is your idea? What is your invention of how to use this capability of making anything into a button? You fill it out, put in your name and your grade, and what you want to interact with. So what, like computer software, do you want to use it with? Why is a regular mouse and keyboard not good enough? And what do you hope to hook it up with? Then make a little drawing of what you want your device to look like. You'll submit these, and the Science Club students will go through the different ideas that were submitted, and we'll choose the top 4, and then we'll be handing out the Makey Makeys. And I will even help you set it up if you're not sure how to make it work. So that's what the competition is. And you can use them if there's a game you want to control, maybe there's some sort of learning device you want to make. So I want to show you this idea that I had. It's to help preschoolers learn different positional words. And so what it is we have a little person, or a little people figure from the toys, and I've taped aluminum foil to the bottom of him. And then around the board I've set up couple different places where I have some electrical contacts, so that when this aluminum foil is placed in between them, it completes the circuit. Okay, so you can see if I take and I place him in the box, I'm going to make sure I press down him a little bit. Oh, maybe not. Got to actually run the software. All right, here we go. So if I place him in the box, you can see, or maybe you can't see because of the glare, it placed Eddie in the box on the screen. If I move him and place him on the box, again, sometimes I got to press down a little bit. There we go. Okay, it moves it onto the box. And so you can move Eddie all around, and each time you move him someplace, it will register that on the computer. And then once the students are ready, they can go to a quiz. And so it asks the students to put Eddie in different places, and they can put him there. Find out what happens, tell them good job if they're right. Put Eddie on the box. Now I said on the box. If, let's say, I misheard, put him back inside the box. That's in the box. Try again. So it tells me that's incorrect. On the box. And so now when I'm right. Good job. All right, so you can see we can use the Makey Makey for all sorts of things. Okay, so I want you to think about, I want everybody to be creative and inventive, and I hope I get lots of different applications for how might you use a Makey Makey. If you end up not winning the competition and you do want your own Makey Makey, you can get them off the internet, and they're about $50 a piece, okay, with $5 of shipping and handling. So again, the possibilities are endless. Use your imagination and have fun with it.